This PC hasn't been cleaned in months. No canned air today, just one electric duster. Let's see what actually comes out. I'm testing it on the dust filter, case vents, fans, heatsink, GPU area, and the keyboard setup. The question is simple. Can this replace canned air for regular PC cleaning? First, safety. Shut the PC down, unplug the power cable, move it to an open area, and hold the fan still while blowing. Don't use liquid, and don't open the power supply. This is the WOLFBOX MF200 electric air duster. I'm starting on the lower setting, near delicate parts, then using more power on filters and vents where the dust is packed in. Test 1 is the front dust filter. This is the easiest win. The duster pushes loose dust out fast, and because the filter is removable, you can blow from the clean side out. For regular maintenance, this is exactly where an electric duster makes sense. Now, the case fans. I am holding each fan blade still, so it doesn't spin like a turbine. Short bursts work better than one long blast. You can see the dust coming off the fan frame, cable area, and bottom of the case. For the CPU cooler and GPU area, I stay a little farther back and use controlled bursts. The goal is not to force dust deeper into the PC. It's to move it out of the case toward open air. Quick desk test. Keyboard crumbs and dust around the setup. This is where it beats canned air for convenience, because you can use it again and again without grabbing a new can. My answer? Yes, you can clean a PC without canned air. Just power down, hold the fans, and use short controlled bursts. Comment what I should test next. My answer? Yes, you can clean a PC without canned air. Just power down, hold the fans, and use short controlled bursts. Comment what I should test next.